Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send and receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Robinhood. This is a new feature that wasn't available before, and I'll guide you step by step so you can safely move your crypto in and out of your Robinhood wallet. Here's how it works. Open the Robinhood app and go to your holdings. Tap on Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency you own. Scroll down and you'll see the options for send and receive. To send Bitcoin, there will be some additional verification steps, including setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA. I won't go into that in this video, but I may do a full Robinhood crypto tutorial later. If you want to be notified, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. To receive Bitcoin, tap the Receive button. This will bring up your crypto wallet address, which you can either copy or use the QR code to send crypto into your Robinhood wallet. And that's it. With these steps, you can safely send or receive Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on Robinhood.